the biggest thing that I could support was a joyful state of mind, being in the joy of the present moment, and that there's nothing else to do except to feel that for myself and to share it.
Fue una oportunidad única y un regalo maravilloso, y no solamente por la calidad del evento, de los conciertos, del mensaje y de tener la oportunidad de aprender presencialmente de David, al que considero un ejemplo y maestro de paz constante.
I have been to 3 strawberry festivals so far, and each one was the most beautiful, joyful expression of God's love.
Strawberry